Hello everybody, this is David with Edify Arms, and today we're looking at the Springfield Armory Hellcat, chambered in 9mm. So let's get after it. All right guys, here we have it, Springfield Armory Hellcat. Let's go ahead and open up the box and take a closer look. And inside the box, you have, of course, your pistol in a nice little compact carrying case. If we just put that to the side for a moment, you have your firearm documentation, user manual, warranty information, and some marketing stuff. So we'll go ahead and just put that to the side real quick. In addition, on this front part of the box, you have your accessories. God, I can't even talk. In here, you have an extra magazine. This is an 11-round magazine. Of course, you have your locking device and an additional base plate for your magazine. So we're going to go ahead and just close that back up, and we're going to move that to the side. All right, sorry for all the noise. So here it is. Let me go ahead and open the case. And here you have it. It's a nice little pistol. This is striker fired, chambered in 9mm. This was released back in September of 2019. In 2020, it was named the Handgun of the Year. So this was one of many micro subcompact pistols that came out, chambered in 9mm with additional capacity. So this particular pistol comes with two magazines. One is an 11-round magazine, which I already showed you. And then the other is a 13-round mag. It's got a little base plate extension. So a lot of capacity for a very small package. So let me go ahead and take that out. All right. So if we come to the back and take a look, you do have tritium sights. They're sort of the goalpost sights, which I've only seen on the Springfield Hellcat. So again, pretty good sights out of the box. You definitely get a good sight picture. Of course, many folks that buy this gun, change sights and do all kinds of different things. But again, right out of the box, this is a pretty nice package. So on this particular firearm, the barrel length is 3 inches. It's hammer forged steel. The grip width is 1 inch. And then the overall length is 6 inches. There is a height of 4 inches. And then it weighs 18.3 ounces empty. So again, pretty light gun. It's a lot of fun to shoot. It's a little snappy. Definitely takes a little bit of practice to get used to it. But again, a very, very good firearm. So if you guys are interested in something like this, please reach out to Edify Arms. We'll be glad to help you acquire a firearm of this type or some other. We help our customers fit themselves to the right gun for the right purposes. So again, reach out to Edify Arms. We'll be glad to help you with all of your firearm needs. If you've enjoyed this content, please hit like and subscribe. It helps me to grow my channel and make sure that my videos get found by those folks looking for this type of content. So guys, thank you very much for your time. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.